Okay, my dear students, in this video I will be explaining you how to do problem number 4, that is converting the expanded form. This is expanded form. I have taken first sum of 4a, expanded form 4a. So in this video I will be explaining you what is the best method of doing this, that is how are you going to convert the expanded form into the standard form. You can do this directly, but some of the sums you will find quite tricky, and if you do directly, some of the times you get your answers wrong. So how to be on the safe side, that is what is the method which you follow and you be on the safe side, that is you always get your answers correct. So this is the method which I am going to explain you in this video. What you will do, you will calculate, you will find out the place value of 6. Not in every case. What I'm trying to say is that you will find out the place value. You will try to find out, you will try to make out the place value of the very first digit of this expanded form, that's 6. The first digit is 6. So what's the place value? Who is going to tell you? You look that after 6 you have a product sign, you have a multiplication sign, and you are having a number that starts with 1. So this number is going to tell you what will be the place value of this very first digit. So count the place values over here: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, count the place values of this number and it will give you the place value of this digit. So that's 10 crores, isn't it? Next step is that you put dashes, you write, you draw dashes till the place value of the very first digit of the number which you are going to convert into standard form. So the very first digit is having the place value 10 crores. I will put dashes till 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now next, you have to fill up these blanks to get your answer. So 10 crores, what will be, what we will write over here? 6, because this is 10 crores and the place value of 10 crore will be filled with 6, because the place value of 6 is 10 crores. Next, you will move to the next digit and count the place values from there: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. That's crore. So this crore place, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore will be filled with this next digits, that next digit 6. Now come to the third one. Count the place value: 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs place will be filled with 5. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So it will be filled with 5. Now come to this one, the fourth one. So count the place value: 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So the lakhs place will be filled with 8. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So it will be filled with 8. Now come to this one. Count the place value: 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 10,000 place will be filled with 9. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It will be filled with 9. Now come to the next one. The place value of 7 over here is 1, 10, 100, 1,000. So that's 1,000. So 1,000 place will be filled with 7. The place value of 5 is 100. So the 100th place will be filled with 5. Now the place value of 10 is 9. So it will be filled with 9, and the place value of 1 is 9. Now some of you will say, sir, why are you wasting your time in finding out the place values of each and every digit? You just write the first digit, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the seventh, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, and you will get your answer. No, my dear student, this is good for some of the sums which are very easy. I am showing you an example in which you will face problem if you write directly. So suppose I am taking number f. What is the problem in doing directly? I am showing you. That's why I explained you this way, this method. So I am copying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 5, 0. So if any of you say, sir, we can do directly, sir, write the first digit, write the second digit, write the third digit, and write the fourth digit. Just go and check your answers which are printed at the back pages of your book. This answer is wrong. You will get your answers wrong if you follow this method, direct method, in each and every sum. But if you follow my method which I explained you in the video, then your answer will be correct. How? just count the place value of the very first digit. So that's 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That's the place value of the very first digit is crore. So you put dashes till crore. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So we have put dashes till the place value of the very first digit in this expanded form. So the first digit is 3 and the place value of 3 is crore. So that's why I have put dashes till crore. Understood? Now we will fill these blanks and let us see why this answer is wrong. So the place value crore will be filled with 3, isn't it? That first one is confirm, clear. Now come to the next one. Count the place value. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it's 10,000. The place value of 6 is 10,000. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this place will be filled with 6. Okay, are you getting? So these two spaces are blank. You are not we will do something with it, and your answer is missing with that two spaces. That's why your answer is wrong. Okay, I am explaining you. Now come to the third one. The third digit is having the place value 1, 10, 100, 1000. So that's 1000. So 1, 10, 100, 1000. So that's 1000. Now come to the next one. 1, 10. So the place value of 5 is 10, and it is quite visible as well. So 1, 10. Now what about these blank spaces which are not present in your answer, or someone who will write the answers directly without following the proper rule? These blanks are empty and they will be filled with zeros. They will be filled with zeros. Now if you go and check your answers from the printed answers at the back, answer keys at the back of your book, you will get this answer, and this is the correct answer. I hope it is clear to you the method and how to proceed, how to do. Alhamdulillah, we have understood each and every problem of exercise 1.2. I will be giving you some classwork from each of these problems, and I will be telling you what to do as homework. I hope you enjoyed learning. Be focused in the class. Have interest in learning. Inshallah, you will learn everything with ease and comfort. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.